Overall architecture of our information and keeps us moving every single day.
Without VMware, we couldn't get where we are right now. We could not achieve our multi-cloud strategy without VMware. It's glued together our Amazon environment with our Google environment, with our own private cloud environment.
We accelerated using the VM product, which allowed us to deploy over 1,200 devices to all of our officers. And we did it in such a quick time that we were able to meet the community needs.
It literally saves patients' lives to have access to their information everywhere at any time. Digital transformation is really the key. We need to give our medical staff access to all the applications, all data at their fingertips.
With VMware, we can remove any uncertainty around our IT operations, empowering our company with the freedom to pursue new ideas. As we continue to transition towards renewables, we can be confident we have a trusted partner alongside the journey.
When we want to pivot to have the delivery functions, we change our office to a cloud kitchen. Lines 2 becomes the heart of the company right now because it's the central of the customer service touchpoint. We need AAS and VMware to make it very, very stable.
We are one of the first universities to acknowledge the climate emergency program. We are looking at all of our technologies to ensure that we are able to be carbon neutral by 2030. There's no way we could do this without VMware.
VMware has been a great partner with us, and Cloud Health is simple. It's now become built into our everyday process at Toast.
I mean, look around, things are great. Future is definitely bright.